Okay. It's just a video of 20 minutes. Good evening, my sister, my love. Good evening. Just a video of 20 minutes. As I promised the other day that I would be doing it yesterday, I was so tired, so I decided to do it today. Just a video of 20 minutes. Mr. Great, abeg, give me time. 20 minutes. When it's 20 minutes, tell me to stop. I have something to do. We have class today. As you can see, this my hair. This is the afro hair I was talking about. It's 60 euro. Contact me for this hair. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Contact me. This hair is very beautiful. Contact me for this hair. Contact me for this hair. I still have this type. Any type of human hair you want, I have it. You all are welcome to Fairly Go Beauty World platform. I teach how to do cream. Some kind things where I know. I like to show it. You can inbox me if you need this type of hair. I get many different fair type. I get different fair hair. Anyone you see you love on my page or my Facebook, just inbox me. Like this type, I have this too. This is 16 inches. The same hair of that day, that straight hair is the same hair. You can pack it up, you can still weave it, you know, any style you want to do with the hair, you can do it with it. So it's any, I'm not put down well. This is the hair. I saw some people, they send me picture, they don't know how to dress it. This is my whole, my personal use. Just put it like this. We'll go one side, dress and go one side. I don't feel use on before. So many of the position I wear for it. This is the same hair. It's the same hair. It's human hair, 100% human hair. So it's always 20 minutes video. So I just want to do a back for my hair. This is the hair, the afro one. It's really human. You can barb it to your taste. Then I have baby cream, body lotion, glowing lotion, everything. Then I have pink lace, natural pink lace, like the one I'm using. I have perfume, for women and men. So contact me, anyone you want, we'll post it to you. So let's go there. Let me do this thing now. You can see what I wrote there. If you want to be honey, if you want to be romantic all the time, and you want to look beautiful, young, under that your age, come with your ingredients: watermelon, pineapple, and honey. Don't forget to add your honey. Your honey. So I'm going to do it fast because I have something to do. Let me clean everything now. This is my bottle. Just to mix everything together. My blender. You all know this fruit now. It's in everywhere. Good evening, everyone. It's now seeing comments. So you all know this fruit. You know the key person. And fruits where they eat for house. If you use it in this way, use it in the way I'm going to teach you now, you will enjoy it. men wey be say their thing no dey work well and they no dey fit to do that thing, dey do all the time, you go like am. Women wey be say they think say they don born that area, they no wan go again, they are tired, so do this thing, it will help you. I go stay on here now. I'm not gonna stay my trouser. Just remove the seeds. You never hold do, you just look like a did. So try make do this thing. Try make do it. It go help you. Believe me. Now some of they come so just dey do am. They take her every day. Take her as you dey drink water, as your food. Not be medicine, now fruits. Some don't come around 3 or 4 o'clock when you take the fine biscuits, bread wey you want put for mouth. They call am merenda for here, for Italy. Just drink this thing. In the evening time, drink am. Instead of you to eat too much puree, too much pounded yam, too much African food, just take this. You'll be okay. It will glow you. It's very important to the skin, to the body system, especially the special way, the special parts. You will feel honey all the time. You will love yourself all the time. You know, when they do gaga. So women, na kita no biokba, because that their body, you don't get as it be. So you need to be taking this. You will cool. Your behavior will be cool. You will love yourself and look lovely, gorgeous. Man, you go dey romantic. You dey reason well. If your wife will they do this thing for you, if you come back for work, you come meet this thing for table, give him a drink. If you do this thing for your husband no look outside the girl. Believe me, no look outside. You go to add money join money wey you take dey buy human hair. You go to add money join money wey you take dey buy cream for yourself. E go to help you in any area. Anything wey you ask am, e go to do am for you. But if you know they do all this thing for house, the marriage get as it be. If not be boyfriend and girlfriend, get as it be. Women should know how to operate their husbands, to help themselves. See, your husband come back for work. You prepare this thing for table. Before he eats, you say, honey, it's ready. Read this thing first. Or after eating, just take this. Or you don't fair it for work. Say, I don't need something that is light. Prepare this thing, give her. Go. I get boya omodo, not be by going to native doctor to other native doctor because you want your husband to love you or you want your wife to love you. All these things is very important for you to be doing for them. I will be showing you many things online. Don't add water to it. Oh my God. Only this fruit. Only this one. Don't add water to it. Use only this without water. Now 3 ingredients. Finish. Very easy. 3 ingredients. This one are honey. Any honey you have at all. It does not mean if it is organic, it's not organic. Anyone you have at all. Me, I like using organic products without colors, without chemical. Understand? I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Learn how to do all these small things for house. Learn how to do it. Not be by putting eba for table, soup. They lick every day. Not be him. Try. Make you they do all these things for house. Who they write me? Oh, I cannot check comments now. Cannot check something now. Oh my God. Sydney. Vieni a aprire finestra che vai via questa mosca che sta volando.
Cosa apro la finestra lì?
Sì, apri quello così vai via questa. I go the locker. Sorry guys. I'm going to lock it. Close the. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. You see, it's pineapple, water lemon, yes, water lemon. Water lemon. What is they call this? It's water lemon now. This thing. Pineapple and 2 tablespoons of honey. So I'm going to close it. Even though you not get this one for us, another one we get, they use them. You know me, say you must get this cup. They use them, you come put them for another cup, take drink, you know me. Make not because of this one now, you say you must go buy this machine. If not, you not go work, no lie. Anyone you have at home, use it. I hope now they see me. Because everywhere dark, one kind. I dey close my this thing because fly many for outside, no be small thing, Like say this thing what I do, it's too big for cut and small, so just shake am like this. Shake am before blending it together. Without water, don't add water to it. I don't add water. The other one I did the other day is the orange that give me the water, the juice. I did not add water to it. See, water many for inside this thing. Well. Just shake it and blend it. You see, I don't put water. The water doesn't come out. Don't add water to it. Just blend it together. Okay. This. Now I see what I don't liquid rich. Why are belly beer yeko? Do this thing and drink it. You will enjoy it. Use this thing as your merenda. If you want to eat in the afternoon, instead of it to be eating biscuits, we can't make my belly come big. Now come fat anyhow. You do this thing by yourself. You will enjoy it. It's ready to drink now. You see, it is ready to drink. You still have 8 minutes. Okay, thank you. You see, it's ready to drink. Go to supermarkets and get your fruits, your water lemon, your pineapple, and your you wait to help with now. Some my things they be. I don't know why. I'm a doer. He go throw away. He go touch my body. I don't feed the kitchen. May I do something? Maybe something not throw away. I say they do me. I don't know. Even for working place. See, it's ready. Let me test it. Oh my God! If you can be doing this thing every day, you will love yourself. I know say na simple thing. They go say, yeah, what that man? Many people don't know it. So you go say, yeah, wetin come dey show us for Facebook. Many people did not know how to do this thing. They don't know the importance. What to give your body, You see, this evening I'm okay. I feel like going to bed very soon. So sweet. You can do it for your children too. Juliet, okay. Try it. Try it. Very nice, very nice. Juice plus juice, all those things when they use money go they buy 400 €, 300. Now all this one I be this These are the things. Instead of you spending 400 euro, 300, one way away juice plus rosa no throw away ma go juice plus na advice so. Money when you take buy juice plus, go they pay every month. They say that they pay juice plus every month, something like that. You go buy whether 400, 450, you can they pay every month. Do it by yourself. Even what gwalebe pi Sokoto, what gwalebe Kaduna, or pi Sokoto, maybe atai. What if they look for? They near you. You can do it by yourself. You understand? You can do it by yourself. It will make you look good. To make you look good. Promise.
Cosa c'è?
Mi dai quello asciugamano piccolo che c'è in cucina?
Asciugamano?
Quello per pulire i piatti? Quello piccolo, per favore.
Quello a righe o l'altro?
Qualsiasi va bene per me, per favore. Sia. Lancia. Grazie.
Non l'ho mai mangiata. Ogni volta che scrivo non l'ho studiata una volta, non mi piace.
Poi stai oggi. Per favore, passate voce.
Perché mi costa? Margherita, io ho chiesto margherita.
If you don't understand, okay, if you don't understand, inbox me, I will explain, or you will rewatch my video again. Good evening, my sister Eli Amadason. You are welcome to my platform. I have how many minutes remember ago? Food is very good in the body. That is why I love food. Yes, there are many nutrients in food. Instead of you to be buying all those chemical things in the supermarket for you to glow your skin or for you to look healthy, just do it by yourself. Do it at home by yourself. It will help you. Wait till now they find day for supermarkets near you, day near your house, day your house. Nobody will not they buy food for us. Carry all of them together, blend them together, all na vitamin and nutrient for the body. It will help you for your skin, for your body, for your system. You know, can't get that big belly or big mess. Or maybe if they wear clothes, their belly will be like say they put pot for inside. You get as it be. Men supposed to have 6-pack. Man supposed to get 6-pack. And some of them will see the open cloth, they take picture. Advise your wife to be doing this thing for you. It will help you. It will help you. Fatness. Maybe not the fatness, yeah. I always do it myself every morning with fresh food. Okay, good. Orobo. You see, thank God. I really happy for you. They do them. When you they do, how you they feel? If you wake up in the morning, next morning, how you they feel? How you they feel for bed? You will look after you just take this thing, take your shower, you take it, go to bed. You will just relax yourself. Not that when I to the work and go anywhere, honey. You go say, I will go 7. No, you go relax. You go feel that thing. You understand? You understand me? You go feel that. You are right. That is what I do every day. Yes, melody. You see, many people don't know it, but I just want to show you. It's very good for the body. Your children can drink it. Relax. Give you nutrients in your body, vitamin, everything they find they inside. Some kind time, maybe maybe person not well now. You go meet doctor will say you are lack of vitamin, you are lack of this one, you are lack of that. It's because you are missing, you are not taking the right food you're supposed to take. You are not taking the good, you are not eating well. You are nice food. People where they eat better food. Not be say you can't put up myself with me. Not be they eat better food. Person where they eat better food, they see for their appearance. They see for their skin. If you know they eat better food, even though you cook, you kill big goats, you kill cow, you can't use and cook. No, that one not me say na better food you dey eat. There are some certain foods you have to eat that your body needs that time. When you take this thing, stress, people where they go war stress, you will release that stress. Will be gone forever. You will not be stressful. You will get that strength to be doing your work, doing many things you want to do. This is what you will be doing day by day. No be poison. You know they keep person. It will help you. You will look good in your appearance. You will look good in your appearance. You understand? Do it for your husband. Your husband will love you more. Do it for your children when they come back for school. They will be very happy. It has a good taste. That yogurt, that McDonald's, when you carry your children, they go they take milkshake for McDonald's. Do it by yourself at home. All those ones, you don't know what they had, Jonah. Whether they put color, they put chemical, they put this thing, all these things, if they damage body, no go understand me. Do it by yourself. Your pikin want drink a milkshake. Carry your things, come and do the milkshake for your pikin. Your pikin want do fruit shake. Do it for your pikin. Your husband say, oh, we'll just come and maybe go buy this one. But do it for your house. You know me say men are not they go hard to. Not be everything that they buy for outside. Let her to do it as a woman. I go that for where I go give whereby. I go boyfriend whereby. Mama, good evening. I'm just coming. Yes, so you are late. Okay. Now this thing I show today, but like say my minutes don't finish. So I call this video. Watermelon and pineapple, and honey. Then I blend everything together. You understand? I know someone they see me because everywhere is dark. I blended everything together. 9 day here. Now 2 spoons of honey and put for his sides. The one where I know how to drink and they do for myself. 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey still did this. And this honey when I see so they good. It go clear your chest. All this kata, all this sometimes chest go dey heavy you because you no fit cough that cough. It dey good. Your pikin know where they cough. Get honey for house. They give am honey spoon. That's a way with their house. If go enter our body, that's a matter periods. Mama, how are the kujo wa so? We don't want. How are mo yima won? Wa very well for no be se kuyo won no. Wa ga gboro won pepepe we lare. Don't want. How be so one we won. It dey help. Anything we dey do, they had honey journal. It dey help. Now better medicine I only be. It dey met kata. It go matter. That night if you dey sleep wey no be you no fit breathe and the kata dey there, they drink honey. Before 3 days, everything don still vanish. Not be everything go dey take tablets, medicine, everything. Promise abbaixa la voce per favore. Sono in video ancora. 10 minuti finisco video. Se io ti dici abbassa la voce, ti ho già detto 2 volte. Per favore.
Sì.
Okay. You understand? Oh, I came late. So I don't want to go back again. I say, how many minutes remain? Stagnator, tell me the minutes if I can explain again or I cut it. Now I quick explain give you. I blind, no say the other day, and I say, me na come class, me na come with na watermelon and pineapple, then honey. So today now, the one where I feel drink, I slice this my ananas, my pineapple ananas with the color. I slice them. I come slice this one, Jonah. I come put my two spoons of my honey. Then I come blend that together. Just this thing, it will help you feel honey all the time. It will help you to love yourself all the time. Your husband no go tire of you. You no go tire of your husband. You understand? It will help you. If they come forward, do this thing, give and make you drink. He go like am. Tell carry go no ya de to, no ya doi. He go they give you money. If your husband no they take off you, but if you they do all this petty thing for us, you go see say the level will constantly change. It don't pass time. Okay, I should cut the video. Nice one, big sister. Thank you, my cousin. Thank you so much. You understand? Odogbo wiwe another side. Odafunwe ka to tire agabe dian. Or kind to tell my older doni. But if you they do this thing for your husband, whatever, what to tell? Okpari when you win up. Not pari when you're not pa munya, you know? You go they use you they do pill all the time. So no stress. Try and do it. You will enjoy it and you will love it. This evening, if you have it, do it. Tomorrow, if you don't have all these ingredients at all, tomorrow go and get your ingredients and do it and test it, then you come to this video and testify and write your drop your comment there. That one what I first do that day, do that one too. Drop your comment on that video. It will help you. It will help you. It's a nice thing to drink. You understand? You will feel honey all the time. You will love yourself all the time. You will not have that big stomach. You not go get that big stomach. Next, I'm going to teach another thing. What you will be taking for you to get pregnant that will help you to prepare for your pregnancy. You understand? So I will still teach you that one. But this is the one of today. Next time if I'm coming to live video, I will write that one as and the ingredients too. What you can drink, especially women that it takes them difficult to take in to be pregnant. You understand? I will still teach you that one. What you will use, will be using for yourself. Not be the one where you go meet native doctor or you go the no. I will teach you what you go to drink. Where be say go prepare you to get pregnant. My next video, maybe I will do that. I will schedule my time, so I will do that for you. And also, may not give me money. You need one here. You only do a man with live video. I don't want quarrel. I don't want bad comments. I don't want insults. I don't want anything wey go dey provoke me. If I dey read comment, the thing go dey provoke me. I don't like am. Now peace, I say they come my live video. Now my things I dey do. I beg me na maintain that peace like that. If you know say wetin I dey do, you don't like am, just come on for there. Come on for my video. Last video where I do, I get 10,000 viewers. It's almost 2 days now. I'm so happy and I appreciate every one of you. You understand? If you know say wetin I dey do, you don't like am, just pass. Leave me. This woman don dey crazy. She don dey talk nonsense. Your pass. No, you boss me. No come dey insult me. I no come my live video. Come drop useless comments. Any comment I see that is no good, I will just block you. No go my message, my WhatsApp go dey write me say abeg open me. Na that one I hate for inside because someone of my omomo na lunya yo nu. Why me na ti ohoko wa ati ororo person go come and dey teach you better thing. If you don't block you now, you come dey message me for my WhatsApp say abeg open me. Na mistake. No be mistake. We all are adults. No 6 years baby is here typing. Nobody dey use your Facebook for you. Now you dey use your Facebook. Please use it well, not for insulting people. Please. We all are one. No insults. No bullying. I hate that. Please. If you come my platform, respect yourself. I will respect you. That is all. Try and do this thing and drink it. Another announcement. If any VA lady, if any VA, she's doing adverts for me. She's doing adverts for my cream and for my hair. If she wrote my phone number on her platform, it's not your duty to pick it. You are not buying the hair just to call me that you want to talk to me. That number there is not even number, it's my number. She's doing advert for me. So don't pick that number. You are not buying hair, you are not buying cream. Then you want to talk to me. That is why you call that number. And some people will be writing me, is that TV? Please learn how to read. She put that number there. She wrote it there. If you want this human hair, contact this number. It did not say if you want woman, contact this number. Or if you want girlfriend, contact this number. She did not say that. She wrote it. If you want this beautiful human hair, contact this number. Nobody should call me on phone. Because as soon as they call me, all those useless people, they register on and they record on. One day I will plan for now. I don't like all this thing. You guys are one. You want to buy hair, you want to buy cream, just inbox me. If I get an answer, if I don't get I know the answer. Now hear me. My people, want much love. I love you guys. See you guys next time. I will be teaching that topic, how you will get pregnant very soon. Time up. Okay. It's nice to see your comments. Bye everyone. You pay me, I want come months, I want go because we get class today. Time up. I love you guys. I love you guys. Stay tuned anytime I'm on live video. Watch me. Go to my YouTube and subscribe. My music will be dropping very soon. Normal Gbona. You get to listen to that music. Now music of Popori. a music na ya sonye make bomb no, you go forget your sorrow. Anything no that when you hear this music, you go forget am. I beg, may na subscribe. May na help your sister. Make una help your sister. Always like my video. Always share my video. Subscribe and prepare your juice by yourself. Nice, tastes good, so sweet. For your skin, for you to look honey, romantic. You know. We are go that from where you were over. When I need way, you say, mommy. If you do this one for your husband go hard money join your money. Hey, that aka gun where they put for your husband hands, the gun go comot. That your husband hand where they tight before he go give you something, go tight hands. This thing will make and release them for you. If you never build house for you, he go build house for you. No worry. Now me talking. They do all this thing. I go that for way. Very nice. I love you guys. Bye bye everyone. Ciao. Next video.